In this video, we will demonstrate the online MCC-CD admissions application. To begin, we'll navigate to admissions.maricopa.edu. There are two options. New students will click the Start Here button, and current or previous students will select Returning and then log in with their MEID and password. We'll proceed as a new student. Next, to ensure students don't have an account, they must confirm they do not have a Maricopa email address or student ID number and have not attended any of the Maricopa Community College's campuses. Please note, if a student is on an F or M visa, they are required to complete the international admissions process with their desired Maricopa College's International Education Office. The next screen will ask for basic information such as name, date of birth, social security number, and other contact information. Students can also opt in or out of receiving text messages or robocalls from MCC or the Maricopa Community College District. Please note, a social security number is not required. However, not including one can delay the awarding of financial aid and other benefits. Students are encouraged to provide their social security number if they have one. After clicking Create Username, a user ID or Maricopa Enterprise ID, MEID, is created immediately. On the next page, students are asked to provide additional information such as their address, phone numbers, sex and gender identity, military status, and more. Students also provide information related to their residency status for tuition purposes, including the date they moved to Arizona and in which Arizona county they reside. The accuracy of this information impacts the amount of tuition students have to pay. We'll then click Save and Next to answer questions about educational background and interests. This page allows students to provide information regarding any previous high school or college education. Please note, the accuracy of this information can impact a student's financial aid eligibility and delay or prevent the awarding of any aid. Click Save and Next to continue to the Academic Career and College section. Here, students select their program or major of study and primary college of interest. It's important to read the information describing the difference between credit, non-credit, and clock programs. This video shows the process for a credit student. The primary reason for attending this college question allows students to indicate whether they intend to earn a degree, certificate, or for personal interest, among others. Current high school students must choose the currently enrolled in high school option for admission. Based on the selection, students are required to answer more questions before adding the program to their admissions application. If they're degree seeking, the related degrees and certificates will appear for their selection. To continue, select Add Program to My Application. On this page, students can choose to add more colleges and programs to their application or proceed to the next step. We'll click Save and Next to continue to the Requirements and Disclosure section. In this section, students must acknowledge that they have read and accept several important policies and disclosures. They also indicate their citizenship status or lawful presence. This information affects the student's tuition rate. In addition, students answer FERPA and emissions questions and then verify that all information in the application is correct and true. Clicking Save and Next takes us to the final step in the online admissions application. Finally, all students must verify their identity by submitting a valid ID for identification authorizations. Students have three options: through the online application from their cell phone or computer, submit as e-form, or in person. Students are provided their next steps based on their chosen method of submission. Congratulations! The admissions application has been submitted. Any further requirements will be listed in the my.maricopa.edu Student Center on the to-do list.